Hey everyone, today we're diving into a pretty intense topic, the Citi wire fraud case. It's super important for all of us to understand what's happening here, especially when it comes to our consumer protections in banking. So, let's get into it.
Recently, there's been a ruling by Judge J. Paul Oetken that's got a lot of people talking. It really shines a light on how banks like Citi handle security protocols and, the responsibilities they have towards us, the consumers.
And Letitia James, the New York Attorney General, is playing a major role in this whole situation, pushing for accountability and transparency. Now, one of the key claims against Citi is around their security protocols.
Like, there are allegations that they've been a bit too relaxed with their security measures. This is not just about numbers on a screen, it's about real people and their hard-earned money.
Imagine waking up to find your account compromised because a bank didn't do enough to protect you. It's terrifying, right? Then there's the issue of investigation delays.
People are claiming that when fraud does happen, the investigations take forever and, they don't even seem effective. Like, if you're a victim, you're just left hanging, feeling powerless.
It really makes you wonder, what's the point of having these systems in place if they don't work when we need them? And let's talk about consumer responsibility for a second. There's been some serious backlash over affidavits that seem to shift blame onto the victims. It's like, really, instead of taking responsibility, they're saying it's your fault for getting scammed. That can shatter trust in a heartbeat.
I mean, we want to believe that our banks have our backs, right? Now, the legal implications here are huge. The judge's decision to allow the case to proceed means Citi has to defend its practices in court.
This is a big deal because it shows that there's a legal obligation for banks to uphold certain standards. It's like, finally, someone is holding them accountable.
Letitia James has come out with strong statements about consumer expectations, which is refreshing. It's like she's saying, hey, we deserve better. On the flip side, Citi has expressed disappointment, claiming they follow industry standards.
But, if that's the case, why are we seeing so many issues? Now, let's not forget the legal framework here. The Electronic Funds Transfer Act, or EFTA, plays a critical role in how fraud protections are structured.
There are differences in protections for wire transfers versus other methods, and understanding this can help us navigate our rights better.
So, moving on to the arguments presented in court, Citi has this stance on intrabank transfers, saying that unauthorized transfers aren't really a big deal and that they actually offer benefits.
But Judge Oetken had some strong counter-arguments, allowing for further exploration into these claims. It's like he's saying, hold on, we need to dig deeper here.
Some claims were dismissed, which is always a tough pill to swallow, but, it's crucial to focus on the claims that remain. They hold significant weight for consumers and the potential for real change.
As we wrap up, I want to emphasize just how significant this case is for protecting consumer rights. It's a reminder for all of us to stay informed about our rights and to advocate for ourselves when it comes to our finances.
So, if you found this information valuable, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Remember, this is a tough situation for many, but let's stay positive and grateful for the progress being made.
We're in this together, and knowledge is power. Thanks for tuning in.